Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the pink salt trick for weight loss. Is it legit or just a scam? So let's find out. So, the pink salt trick for weight loss has become popular because it promises a simple way to boost metabolism, curb cravings, and support fat burning without complicated diets. The recipe is usually made by mixing a small pinch of Himalayan pink salt with warm water and sometimes adding lemon juice. Supporters of the tricks believe that it helps the body stay hydrated, balances minerals, and reduces sugar cravings. The 21-day challenge encouraged people to drink this mix once a day, often in the morning, as part of their daily routine. Now, it's very important to understand what this trick can and cannot do. Pink salt does have trace minerals like magnesium and potassium, but the amounts are very small and not enough to cause major weight loss. What may help though is drinking more water with a touch of salt and lemon, since hydration and better digestion can reduce bloating and make people feel lighter. It might also help cut cravings because of the change in taste. Overall, real fat burning comes from eating healthy foods, staying active, and keeping a calorie balance. The pink salt trick may support these habits, but it is not a magic. In the end, the 21-day challenge can be a simple way to reset your routine, but it should be combined with healthy lifestyle choices for lasting results. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.